Hi, I'm Sidhu from Esteem Constructions, and today I'm going to show you one of the renovation we did in Baulkham Hills. Previously, with the old bathroom, they had an old entry from this side, from the hallway, which we can see we closed off, and because it's an ensuite bathroom. So now they got a shower in that area, wall hung vanity, back to wall toilet, floor to ceiling high tiles. That's already been done. Let's go to the next one. This is the main bathroom of the house, which we renovated. As you can see here again, wall hung vanity with the shaving cabinet on the top, freestanding bathtub, back to wall with a niche on the top. For this bathroom as well, we also replaced the old window because that was quite old. Now this bathroom looks like as if a brand new one. Alright, this is the laundry what we renovated. As you can see, the old laundry, they had didn't have much space, didn't have much storage in there. So we gave them an L-shaped cabinets with some of the wall cabinets here and there. Of course, keeping in mind we're not blocking the natural light. Here we also replaced the window, new external door to the garage, and of course there's another one that goes back to the bedroom. This is the kitchen renovation what we did for the client. As you can see here, stone bench top, stone splashback with the waterfall here, and we did the shadow line on this one here. Then we have done stone here inside the window, as this is one of the most common problems a lot of the houses face, like the water coming from the sink over the period of time damages the windowsill. Then here we have the appliance pantry, wall cabinets are going up to the ceiling. Previously this one here, they had a small opening over here, and the client wanted to have a bigger opening, so we removed that, put a beam on the top. We gave them a very nice walk-in pantry. If you got a similar project where you're looking for a builder, like one-stop shop, start to finish, please feel free to give us a call.